Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out in this situation a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very impressive bounce. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, and then the price essentially spent all afternoon long grinding and bouncing back to the upside. So there's no doubt about it. Any rational person would say, yeah, the price certainly did make a nice move back to the upside, but that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $2.38. Why is $2.38 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.38. If the price were to pull back and then just drop down below there, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, however, in this situation, behaved like that before then starting to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $2.38. What about levels of resistance going forward? Well, as far as that is concerned, it's all about the purple line up here, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, as time goes by, this line is going to move itself further and further downwards. So it'll get more relevant because I get it right now. The price is down there, and that line's all the way up there. But, as Thursday and Friday play out, that line will move its way further and further downwards and get more relevant. But really, resistance levels, are, at least in my opinion, down on the priority list. Top priority right now is just to start to make some higher bases and show signs of progress and show that this is the start of a bigger bounce. So let's see what happens. Still a couple days left this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.